Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I will show you how I transform this crop top into this dress. Let's get started. So here's the crop top that my first cousin bought. Gagamitin daw nila for their white party. So she wanted this na maging dress. Let's do it. First, lalagyan natin ng base fabric yung crop top. So tatahiin natin siya dun sa may laylayan na part. Now, kunin natin yung measurement ng crop top. So from other side to other side, half measurement lang ang kukunin natin. Next, ilalapat na natin yung measurement dun sa tela. First is yung haba ng magiging base ng palda. And then, yung sinukat natin kanina, so magiging times 2 lang siya. Now, let's cut the fabric. Before we start sewing it, ipin muna natin yung ginapit nating tela dun sa crop top. So, after natin siyang matahi, ganito yung maging itsura niya. Now, ikuklose natin yung side ng skirt. And then, let's finish the seam line. Now, let's prepare the first layer of skirt. Yung measurement dito is meron lang allowance, so mag-overlap siya dun sa base na skirt. Yung first layer ng skirt is a tulle, so yung measurement niya is times 2 nung base skirt natin. Kasi igagather natin siya para magkaroon siya ng texture. So, after natin siya i-gather, tatahiin natin siya dun sa waist part ng crop top. Yung waist part ng crop top is may elastic. So, what we need to do is habang tinatahi natin siya, ipupull natin yung tela ng crop top. And then, isusupport natin yung tulle fabric papasok dun sa ilalim ng footer. By doing that, maximize natin yung tulle fabric dun sa crop top And then, yung magiging gather effect or yung ruffle effect niya, mas malinis. So, here's the output. Next, let's prepare the second layer of the tulle skirt. This time, i-fold natin into half yung tela. But the measurement is the same as nung first layer ng skirt. But this time, magkakaroon lang tayo ng mga allowances. Since ang gagawin natin dun sa second layer na skirt is 2-layer ruffles. This time, times 3 na ng measurement or lapad yung ginawa natin. The reason is, para kapag kinumbine natin yung two separate fabric, mas maganda yung magiging ruffle effect niya. Let's cut it! Now, let's sew it on the same waist area ng crop top, and then yung lower part ng ruffle, tatahiin na din natin. So, this is how it will look like. So, ito yung two separate fabric, and then nung kinumbine natin siya, magiging ganito yung itsura niya. Okay, let's go ahead and do the sleeves. Kunin muna natin yung measurement by stretching the elastic while holding the measuring tape. Ganito yung ginawa ko instead of tatastasin ko pa siya para hindi na mag-double work. Yung pagkuha ng measurement ng sleeve is half lang since gagamitin lang natin siya sa paggawa ng pattern. Also, kaya natin siya ini-stretch is para ma-maximize natin yung tela and also for the ruffle effect. Now we have the measurements, let's create a pattern. On the wrist part, extend lang natin siya into a couple of inches to make it more puffier. Fold the fabric lengthwise and then fold it again into half. By doing that, magkakaroon tayo ng two exact measurements ng sleeves kapag pinlot na natin yung pattern and when we cut it. there you go. Now we have 2 sleeves na same yung measurement. Okay, ganito yung gagawin natin. So, yung tela, itatahin natin siya dun sa upper part ng sleeve ng crop top. Since elastic siya, magkakaroon siya ng ruffle effect. And then, tatahiin natin yung side. And dun sa wrist part, igagather natin siya and then lalagyan natin ng strap. Next thing to do is gagawa tayo ng 2 pieces ng belt. Ang measurement niya is 2 inches including the seam allowance. So kapag finold natin siya and tinahe, magiging 1 inch na lang siya. In terms of length, depende siya sa inyo. So yung ginawa ko is medyo mahaba kasi ang concept ko is itatali mo siya sa likod ng dress. While sewing it, na-realize ko na ibahin ko na lang yung magiging placement ng belt. So, ang ginawa ko is isa dun sa ibaba ng ruffles and then isa dun sa taas ng ruffles. So, parang isa-sandwich nyo lang yung ruffles niya. Now, let's cut some pieces of laces na gagamitin natin as embellishments. Alright, so bago natin siya tahiin, we need to lay it out first dun sa dress para makita natin yung proper placement and then yung magiging itsura niya. After that, we need to hand sew it. So, ikakabit ko na yung strap na ginawa ko para din sa wrist part ng sleeves. And here's the final look. Hopefully, nagustuhan nyo yung ginawa nating video and yung naging output ng dress. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you!